Do you ever feel like the traditional stock market is stuck in the past? Limited trading hours, slow settlements, and a complicated process just to buy a fraction of a share? What if you could invest in companies like Apple and Google with the same speed and flexibility as trading crypto? Welcome to the world of tokenized assets, and more specifically, Kraken's xStocks. So, what exactly are xStocks? Think of them as the perfect blend of traditional finance and the crypto world. An xStock is a digital token that represents a real-world stock or ETF. Each xStock is one backed by the underlying asset, which is held in custody by a regulated third party. So you're not just buying a speculative token, you're getting exposure to the price of a real company's stock. But why would you choose an xStock over a traditional stock? The benefits are game-changing. First, accessibility. With xStocks, you can invest with as little as $1, making it easy to buy fractional shares of high-priced stocks. This breaks down a huge barrier for many new investors. Second, the market never closes. While traditional markets are limited to specific hours, you can trade xStocks on Kraken 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And because they're on-chain, you can withdraw them to a compatible wallet and trade them 24/7. This gives you unparalleled flexibility and control. Third, the speed. Forget about waiting for days for trades to settle. On the blockchain, xStock trades are near instant. It's a frictionless, faster way to move capital and manage your portfolio. Finally, transparency. The blockchain provides an immutable, verifiable record of all transactions, which means greater transparency and security than traditional, third-party reliant systems. It's important to remember that xStocks are not the same as owning the actual stock. While they give you price exposure, they don't grant you shareholder rights like voting or receiving cash dividends. Dividends are automatically reinvested into your xStock balance. They are currently available to non-US retail clients in eligible regions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.